How are you, Carol?
Um, good, thank you, and you.
Okay, teacher and is doing great. I will share it to you now. Okay, what is the weather in the day?
The weather is cool and windy.
It's windy. Okay, here, let us have this. Okay, so let us have day 31. Okay, wait for a minute lang. Okay, let us have day 31. Can you see this one? Can you see day 31, Carol?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so we have vocabulary word, Carol. We have cheerful, outgoing. Okay, so are you familiar? This is about your personality. Okay, it is all about you, your personality as a person. Okay, so are you outgoing? Okay, so are you competitive?
No, no, I am not.
You're not competitive. Okay. Are you reliable?
Again, teacher.
Are you reliable? This one, reliable.
Yes,
No?
I. Yes, I
Yes,
am.
you are. Wow, okay. Next. We have here the other personality, ambitious. Do you know the meaning of the word ambitious?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you individualistic?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Are you careless?
Yes, I am, but a little.
Mm-hmm. Okay, chatty. Do you know the word chatty?
Yes, I do. I love chatting.
Okay. How about moody? Are you a moody type of person?
Yes, I am.
Okay. How about tolerant?
I am tolerant too.
Okay, this one another. Okay. So which of this personality that you value the most? Okay, which of this personality that you value the most or that you like the most?
Hardworking, creative.
Creative. Okay, why do you choose creative?
I choose creative because I like to make something
Okay, you want to
handmade.
you want to do something. Okay. Next one. How about sensible? Are you sensible?
Yes, I am.
Okay, yes, you are. Yes, you are sensible. Are you kind?
Yes, yes, I am kind too.
Okay, you are kind too. Okay, now this is okay. The one we mentioned, Carol, are the different personality of the person. Oh, I will ask you, what is your best? Okay, again, what is your best personality? Okay, sorry, huh? Teacher need to off the camera because my what's that? My internet is very. very slow. So I need to turn off the camera. Okay. What do you think is your best? Okay. What do you think is his best personality as a person?
I think I am hardworking, decisive, kind, and sensible and creative.
You are sensible. Okay. How about impatient? How about impatient?
Impatient. Oh,
Okay. Impatient. Do you know the word impatient?
yes.
Okay.
Yes,
How
I
about
do.
being impatient?
Then please.
Okay. How about being vain? Oh, do you know being vain?
Yes, I do.
Okay, next one. Now, what is your idea? Okay, what are your thoughts? How do you feel about that? Do you have anything to say about? Okay, I have here opinion. Okay, our topic, you will have to answer about bad attitude. Okay, bad attitude. Okay, so you will have to tell me what is your idea about bad attitude. Okay, wait, I will write here. Okay, please write here your answer in the chat box. What is your idea about bad attitude? Okay, this is example ha, and then what are your thoughts about bad attitude? So your topic about bad attitude, okay? You write your answer in the chat box. Sample, what is your idea about bad attitude? What are your thoughts about bad attitude? How do you feel about having bad attitude? Do you think, do you have anything to say about this? What do you think? Do you agree to have bad attitude? Okay, go answer, Carol. In the chat box, you can write or here you can write. Okay, Carol?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, okay, okay. I need to off my camera, Carol, because my Wi-Fi is very slow today.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, finish. I think bad attitude is not good for people. Oh, if you have a good attitude, other people are kind to you. Very good. I feel a little angry because they have bad attitude. I don't agree. I don't have anything to say this. Okay. So I will ask you, Caroline. So, do you like someone who has bad attitude?
No, I don't.
Okay. So,
I
uh,
hate people who are upset.
Yes, of course. It's not good to have bad attitude. Okay. Next one. So we have here agree. So what do you think or what do you think with the word agree? What do you think the word agree? Okay. What is your thinking about agree?
Think people who are agree. I think people who are agree is. I think if you have. I think when the people are agree, other people are other
O-
people
Okay,
are
agree it means you say
yes.
yes, you agree. Okay, that's it. You agree. Okay. Okay. We have here disagreement. What do you think by the word? Okay? What is this? What do you think by the word disagreement? It means you disagree. What do you think of this? When you say the word disagreement, what do you mean by the word disagreement? It means
I think this agreement is mean the different. I think this agreement is a different opinion.
oh,
Opinion.
okay. Disagreement, it means you don't like the idea, you disagree. Oh, I don't like it. Oh my God, I don't like it. So that is disagreement. It means you don't like the idea. Okay, next one. So we have here. Okay, I will have here speaking. Okay. Okay, teacher N will ask you some questions. How your personality changed, Carol, when you grow up? As you grow up, how your personality changed?
So
Okay, can you tell me how your
when
personality changed when as you grow up?
when when I when I was 2 years old,
Mm-hmm.
when I was 2 years old, I
When you
when
were
I
2 years old, what?
when I was 2 years old, I am friendly,
You are friendly
friendly.
and
I am friendly and kind.
oh, you're
But
friendly and kind. How about now? You're not 2 years old anymore. You're older already.
but
How are you now?
but but
Huh?
now I am friendly and kind. I am friendly, kind, and creative.
Again, creative. You're friendly, you're kind, and you become creative. Wow, that's very good. Okay, so this one. How computers
I
affect your
think
life? I will ask you, Sarah. Sarah, Carol, how computers affect your life? How computers affect your life?
mm, I think the computers help people find informations, download files, watch movies, and you can do a lot of things on the computers.
Okay, so you can have a lot of things through computer.
Dùng Squishy cho hai nha.
Okay, what are your thoughts of learning online? Okay, what are your thoughts of learning like this? Do you have any idea? What are your thoughts of learning online? You love to learn online. What are your thoughts about this? What are your thoughts of learning online?
I
Do you
think
have thoughts of learning online?
learning online is exciting for me
Why? Why do you think it's exciting for you?
because I can talk online to the teacher
Mm-hmm.
to
You
the
can talk to the teacher.
teacher everywhere
Okay, what else?
and and I can study more interesting and I can study more interesting knowledge.
Okay, you can study more. Interesting. Okay, yes. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, what is your opinion about greenhouse effect like this? This is a very busy city. What is your opinion about this in this very busy city? What is your opinion about this in this very busy city? Okay, this one. What is your opinion about water pollution, air pollution? What is your opinion about this?
I think greenhouse helps the weather is
Yes, what is your opinion about this?
I think greenhouse helps the weather the weather help I think greenhouse helps the weather helps people have fresh air and people are people are enjoy enjoyable.
Okay, and so people enjoyed a lot. Okay, so when there is fresh air, of course, you will gonna enjoy because it's a fresh air. So you don't need to worry because you got a fresh air, right? Okay, now, do you like to listen country music? Again, do you like to listen country music? Do you like to listen country music?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, you do. Okay, you like to listen country music. So, where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? Okay, and 10 years now, where do you think you will see yourself?
Again, teacher.
Okay, and 10 years from now, okay, 10 years from now, where do you think you will see yourself? Okay, so where do you think you will gonna work? You will gonna study? Or where? You gonna have a job already? Or you get married? Or what? What happened to you in 10 years from now?
I want to I want to at the I want to at the university school to start study in 10 years.
Okay, so you will be in the university that time. Okay, so let us talk here about air pollution. So in my country, there's a lot of air pollution uh because of the smoke from the factory, from the car. How about in Vietnam? Hey, hey, how about air pollution? Okay, how about air pollution? Do you have air pollution in Vietnam? In my country, very. Water pollution, yes, exactly.
Again, teacher.
Okay, what do you think about air pollution? What do you think about air pollution?
Don't know the word air pollution.
Okay, air pollution. So air pollution is caused by what? It is caused by the, okay, cause air pollution. Air pollution is caused by cars. Okay, factory, the smoke from the factory. Okay, it will cause air pollution. How about water pollution? What cause water pollution?
I don't know.
What cause water pollution? Okay, in your country, what cause? In my country, the causes of water pollution is when you try to put trash, when you try to put garbage in the river, in the sea, or when you try to put garbage, that will cause water pollution. Okay, do you understand, Carol? Do you
Yes,
understand?
yes, I do.
Okay, so how about in Vietnam? Is your river clean? Is the river in Vietnam clean?
Yes, yes, it does.
Okay, what is the beautiful river in Vietnam?
I think there are a lot of beautiful rivers in Vietnam, but I think best the best river in Vietnam is Pink River.
Okay, it is the
It
Pink
is
River. Oh, why it's called Pink River? Pink, pink. Why it becomes Pink River? What makes it Pink River? What makes it Pink River? Why do you think it's Pink River? Why? Because it's Pink
because
River because it's color
be,
pink?
yes,
Oh, really?
it's color
It's color
uh,
pink. That's why you call
it's
it
color
river.
a little pink.
It's a little pink. Okay, it's Pink River. Okay, I will research that Pink River in the internet later. It's Pink River. Oh, so
It is
Is the Pink River near to your place or far?
it is far to my house.
Oh,
Far
far.
from my
Like how many hours to travel?
It is one of the famous rivers of Vietnam.
Okay, 1 hour to travel.
Đào Thọ.
Hey, so Carol. Okay, I will see you, Carol. What? Friday, right? Friday.
No, can see you on Thursday.
Ah, yeah, yeah, Thursday, sorry. Oh, yeah, Thursday,
Thursday
sorry.
evening.
Okay, Thursday evening at 7 p.m. Okay, thank you, Carol,
Okay.
for tonight. Bye, Carol.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay,
See you
see you on
again.
Thursday nighttime. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night. Ako yaw. Ayun si Rex. Kasi ko nung, ano siya, yan ko nung gupit ko nung mga, okay? Kasi mapaka sa gamay ra ko nung, ang ginan nga, ako'y kalbon mo ma, ay kalbuhon na ako. Uy, kuya mamang ka, you're very ready.